Whether school days are in your distant past or you're still in the classroom, everyone knows the value of a passing grade. You pay close attention to absorb the lessons, study even harder to remember the details. Then you do your very best to get a good score. And when the results are in, well, there's nothing like the pride you feel in knowing you aced that test. Yes, a passing grade is vital for individual success, and the same is true for the country. For the last 7 financial quarters since June 2013, Jamaica's economy has received a passing grade from the International Monetary Fund. Excellent endorsement from the powerful multilateral agency, which says the Jamaican economy is improving, doing much better than it has in several years. IMF Managing Director Christine Lagarde said it herself. Jamaica has come a long way.
What you have done personally under the leadership of your Prime Minister is nothing short of astonishing. So well done.
Kudos aside, an IMF pass mark means a whole lot, not just for the government, but for almost every aspect of life.
The IMF provides money for balance of payment support. In other words, the IMF provides money to help the country to pay its bills internationally. But an arrangement with the IMF also provides money from the World Bank, which lends money directly to the government of Jamaica to build schools, to build roads, to build hospitals, as well as money from the Inter-American Development Bank, which is used for policy-based loans. It also paves the way for grants from the European Union, which is used for all kinds of things, poverty reduction, crime fighting, and all of those things. So if you don't pass the IMF test, you don't get those funds.
That direct relationship passing the IMF test.
Yes, and fighting poverty, fighting crime, building schools, all of those things that the people depend on.
Another plus of a passing grade is the signal it sends to investors.
The investments that we need in the private sector to create jobs. What we are seeing is that foreign investors are investing more in Jamaica than domestic investors.
That said, though, positive effects on the overall economy will take time to trickle down to significantly impact the spending power of regular Jamaicans. Analysts tell us there's a good reason for that.
If you're in a deep hole, you'll have to take your time and climb out. So you could have been deeper in the hole weren't it for the policies being pursued by the government.
No questions about it. Government's economic reform program is working, and the administration is adamant that it's sticking with the plan for reasons analysts agree with.
Without the IMF agreement, the country would shut down because you won't get any money from the World Bank, the IDB, the European Union. Investors will be looking elsewhere and not Jamaica.
To my friends in Jamaica, the hard choices have been made. Don't stop now, because you're almost at the finish line. The global community has taken notice, and Jamaica has now gone from a problem credit to one that is now leading the pack. So hats off to the government for ensuring that the easier and softer way was not taken once again. Thank you, Prime Minister. Prime Minister, you should be applauded for your vigilance during these difficult times in positioning Jamaica as a leader. And to the people of Jamaica, your perseverance was the crucial needed element for your government to leapfrog your beloved country from one with troubles to now one with a workable vision.